Hey guys, it's Jess and I'm back with another video. You know I'm all about finding ways to make easy money online, just like with my rev.com review video. And I also am a big fan of receiving free things in the mail. And I'm not talking samples, I'm talking like full-on beauty products. And I found an app called Influenster that does just that. And this is not sponsored, but if you are interested in learning more about this and how you can get free stuff, then keep on watching. So I basically came across this app called Influenster, and through this app I got this box in the mail, and this is all of the stuff that was inside. So inside is this Clinique makeup remover, and its retail value is $25. Next I got this cream skin toner and moisturizer by Laneige. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but it is retailed at $43. Next, I got this Argan Oil of Morocco dry shampoo, which retails for $4.99. And last, I got this mascara by Bourjois. It's the Twist Up the Volume Mascara 24-hour, and it's retailed at $23. And in this video, I'm also going to test out all of these products because I have not tried them yet, and we'll see how they are. But basically, what you do, how it works, you sign up on the app and you connect your social media accounts. So I connected my Instagram and my YouTube channel, and based on that, whatever following you have on those accounts, it kind of gives you a score. And with that, I'm not totally sure, who's eligible based on that. Like, what is the minimum amount of followers you need to get more voxboxes? That I don't know. There's categories from like family, like children related things. If you're like a mom, there's a bunch of products you can try out with that. There's food. But anyway, what you do is you go on the app and you start reviewing things. I review beauty products that I've used, and based on your kind of activity on the app, I haven't done much on the app, really. Like, I've done a couple of reviews. I've reviewed some like granola bars and cereals that I like. Just really, you look up any product that you want to review and you review it. Pretty straightforward. So they track your activity, and occasionally they'll email you a questionnaire like, hey, do you want to receive a voxbox? Fill out this questionnaire just so we know kind of your preferences when it comes to makeup and stuff. Like, I've been asked what my foundation color is, although I've never, it's weird. I keep getting asked that in the survey, but I never receive foundation, so I don't know what that's all about. Anyway, so they ask you random questions, and yeah, you get this in the mail. So the only catch involved, or like the only kind of task that's needed from you once you get this free stuff, is to review it. And that's kind of what I'm doing right now. But not necessarily in a YouTube video. I'm just kind of doing this for fun to show you what's out there. But for beauty products, they typically ask you to, 1, review the product on Sephora.com, and 2, make a post about it on your Instagram. So like, oh my god, I love this 24-hour mascara. Yeah, I am not I'm not like a influencer or beauty guru in any way, but I review them and I give an honest review, and that's all there is to it, really. I know it seems like too good to be true almost. Like, it's really, really simple, and now I have received some really cool things. So this voxbox is called the hashtag Date Night Essentials voxbox. So this is what Influencer thinks you need to have a good date. So I'm actually not going on a date right now, but I am gonna go on a date right now with my best friend, and that is my mom. We actually got tickets to see the Beach Boys, and I'm really excited, and now I'm just getting ready, and I thought I might as well get ready by trying these date night essential products. So first I'm going to try this cream skin moisturizer and toner because I need that, and it's actually for normal to dry skin. I have pretty dry skin, so we'll see how I react to this. In the description it says benefit softening and intense moisturizing. I hope so. And it's made from white leaf tea water. I honestly have never really used toner. Like, I'm just starting to get into the whole skin world. But yeah, I guess I'll just rub this all over myself. What is my verdict on this? I think it's nice. I think it is doing what it's supposed to do. My face feels good. It doesn't feel irritated, obviously, because I guess this is meant for my type of skin. And yeah, I feel so refreshed and ready to put on makeup. Next, I'm going to try this mascara. I'm so confused because you twist one way and then you twist another way, and there's a lot going on. Since when did beauty products become so complex? You twist one way for length and twist another way for oversized volume. So that's cool. This is how it looks. I twisted it to the length side. Now I'm kind of curious what would happen if I twisted it the other way. Ooh. Oh, that's so cool. I'm gonna try the first one on this eye, and then I'm gonna try the second one on this eye. See if it makes a difference. Okay, so this is this eye. I currently use Tarte mascara, and it's so good. Like, I love it. So it's really hard for me to fall in love with something else. I'm just kind of set on my Tarte mascaras. But anyway, let's try the other eye. This is now with a kind of more twisty wand that is supposed to bring volume. So this one was length and this one is volume. I don't really see a big difference between the two sides. I think I personally like this side more for some reason. It looks more lengthy. But I don't know. Yeah, like I think this is a really cool concept. It's not waterproof, so if I start crying when the Beach Boys come out, which I don't think is gonna happen, this might not save me. Again, I personally really like my Tarte mascaras, so I don't know, but it's pretty decent. It's not bad. Next up, I'm going to try the dry shampoo by Argan Oil. My hair is looking a little greasy on top, so this will come in handy, hopefully. The dry shampoo that I currently use is by Bumble and Bumble, and it's like a powder. This is more of a spray, which I don't know, we'll see. So you're supposed to shake well before and during use, and spray on lifted sections of dry hair 20 centimeters away from the roots. So I'm just going to do this patch right here on my roots. Oh! I'm not the biggest fan of dry shampoo. I'm just gonna say that. It smells really good, but kind of strong. I think I just don't know how to apply it properly to my hair. And of course, the last product that I got in this package is the Clinique makeup remover, and I'm going to test this out when I come back from the Beach Boys and see if it takes off all of my makeup. It's specifically for the lids, lashes, and lips. So stay tuned. So that's all I have for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Once again, this was not sponsored. This is the app Influenster. You can download it for free and sign up for free. Yeah, this was a lot of fun. It feels like Christmas, like just getting free things in the mail. I'm gonna go watch the Beach Boys now. I might record some of it too. Yeah. See you guys in the next video. Okay, I am so tired. I'm so oily. But the Beach Boys were really good. And I just have one more product that I'm going to try, and it's the Clinique makeup remover. And I'm going to do this, and then I'm just going to pass out. So let's see if it works. It definitely removes makeup. So I tried this out on my eyes and my eyebrows, and I think it actually wiped everything off pretty easily, and my eyes feel refreshed and good. So I think it's a pretty decent product. Would recommend. I'm gonna go to sleep now.